Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Got something simple and short for you today. So, now that we got the bikes set up for what we want to do, the one modification we've wanted to do is to add some sort of mounting system that works for the bikes. So we already have the front wheel chock, but the problem we're having is we have to wrap straps around the bars and stuff like that. It's just tedious. So, simplest solution I could think of is to weld in some D-rings. I'll leave a link in the description for this 8-pack. These are rated at 2,000 pounds. Should be pretty simple. I'm going to use 6 of them, and then we'll have 2 spares because Willow might have something coming up that we could use those for. I'm pretty sure. Anyhow, regardless, let's go ahead and get this knocked out. And just like that, through the magic of time lapse, we got our 6 D-rings installed. That should be much more helpful than wrapping the bars, and that was crazy doing all that stuff. We shouldn't have to do that now. On a side note, Willow bought something else that's going to go on here. You might see that in an upcoming episode. That's her thing, and we'll do a little interview with her whenever that happens or arrives. So you may see a little bit of a build going on this for maybe another episode, and then there's something else that's coming. So, but other than that, I think that's probably going to be it for this episode, guys. If you like this episode, give me a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed yet, we'd love to have you as a subscriber. And like I've said in the past, you're going to want to stay tuned. We got some adventures with Abel coming up. Still got to test out Rusty. First impressions of a long weekend on a mini moto. that'll be coming up. But other than that, I hope you guys are staying safe, taking care of each other, and as always, I'll catch you next time. See you later. Bye-bye.